It's time to sleep, opo.
Opo.
You pray nga po, Sebi. Pray na po. I love you, Lord po. Sebi, is cleaning the toys bad or good? Cleaning.
Bad.
That's good po. Yes, it's good. Is going to school good or bad?
Bad.
I know, that's good po.
Good.
Yes, it's good po. Okay? Is shouting bad or good?
Bad.
Yes, it's bad. Is throwing toys bad or good po?
Good.
No, it's bad po.
Bad.
Yes, bad po yun Don't do that, opo.
Fighting.
And yes, fighting is also bad. And what else? What else are the bad things?
Is good.
What again po?
Running is good.
Running?
Is bad.
It depends po. Where are you running?
Is angry.
Ay, teacher is angry if the kids are running inside the room.
Time out.
Ay, time out. No more running.
Kids.
Time out kids na po.
Go. Maggie. Bye-bye.
Ay, Mama Kirin.
Bye-bye.
Ay, Mama Kirin go outside na and say bye-bye. Where did Mama Kirin go?
And toy.
Mama Kirin is outside the door. Opo, buying. Mama will buy.
Candy. Hamburger. Hamburger. And buy master truck. And buy bag. And buy.
What else po?
And buy shoes. And buy bill. And buy. And buy guys. And buy shrimp. And buy banana.
Ay, banana. What else po? What do you like pa po?
Buy cell phone.
Ay, buy cellphone. You like a cellphone na po?
Tum 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 tum.
Ay, tum-tum-tum sahur. You want to watch a tum-tum-tum sahur?